Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video, we're gonna test Carly's OBD scanner. You can do a complete scan on your car, checking the body and the dashboard if anything being manipulated before selling the car, in case if you're buying a used car, monitoring live data, and coding the car how you want it. The scanner comes in a simple package. I like how they took their time for designing the scanner. Doesn't feel like a cheap scanner at all. They made everything look so easy, even on the package mentioning the steps. Download the app on your smartphone, plug it in and connect to scan the car. Even the instructions looks very easy, no wasting like other brands give you a book-sized manual that most of us don't read. Alright, let's get inside the car. I'm gonna turn on the car so you can see that I don't have any warning light on the dashboard, and then we're gonna test it with Carly's OBD scanner to see if it can find anything wrong with my car. Now we know I don't have any warning light on the dashboard. Now we're gonna turn off the engine and plug in Carly's OBD scanner and connect it with my phone. Turning key to ignition position for Carly's OBD scanner to communicate with car's computer. After downloading the app on my phone, it will search for the Bluetooth to connect with the app. It will take some time. After selecting car's model, brand and year, we can press diagnose. It will take some time to find the critical and minor issues on your car. So the health status mentioning that it's very bad. Even I checked with my CG Solid OBD scanner and it's giving me a green light for the car's health. We have a code for airbag communication error with the ECU. Even I don't have airbag warning light on my dashboard. I know this car been in an accident before. Maybe they didn't do airbag reset. I have to check that later. And other minor issues, driver side window power button, and I found out that it's been removed before. I have to check that out later as well. Something very useful for buying used car to check car's mileage. It will show real number if it's being manipulated on the dashboard, and also car's VIN number. Scammers change the car's mileage to show that the car on low mileage, and changing VIN number so you don't find real accident report on this car, so keep that in mind. Another useful thing with Carly's OBD scanner, you can choose multiple measuring sensor and monitor them live. You can schedule your car's maintenance here, like when to change engine oil, brake fluid and all that stuff. If Carly's OBD scanner always plugged on your car, it will give you notification on your phone when it reached selected date or mileage. You can benefit from Carly's OBD scanner by checking your car's battery life. It will give you a countdown time for checking discharge rate on your car's battery, and when it's done, it will send you a notification to your phone, but the scanner should be on your car the whole time even when the car is off. Maybe you will say that you can check your car's battery life with a side glass. That's true, but it doesn't tell you the percentage life. Today it will be green and tomorrow the battery will be dead. And sometimes it will stuck on green even the battery is dead. At the end you can print out the detailed report with all the critical and minor issues, VIN number and mileage that we checked before. On coding tab you can change car's manufacturer parameters like how long you want the interior light to last. And here is the lane changing blinks. You want to turn it off or change it from 3 to 7 blinks. I only changed this on my car, opening and closing window without opening the door. It will be useful when you have a cover on your car. There are so many things you can change on your car, and you can reset all to the manufacturer setting whenever you want, because Carly's OBD scanner already stored a backup file for you. With all these features that this small OBD scanner can offer, in my opinion it's a good device to have, especially if you're changing your car regularly and buying used car. I will put Carly's website in the video description box below to check it out. Hope you guys found the video useful and learned something new. If it was, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.